So guys, if your Chrome browser is closing itself without any reason or warning, the main cause is usually a corrupted user profiles. This happens when Google's Chrome internal files get damaged during updates. When these files break, Chrome can't load properly and shut down automatically to avoid further errors. So to fix this issue, open your Chrome browser, click on your profile, and make sure synchronization is turned on. If synchronization is off by default, turn it on so your bookmarks, password and other data get backup before fixing the profile error. Wait 1 or 2 minutes for everything to upload. Once you see synchronization is on with no warning icon, move to the final step. Now open your C drive, go to user folder, open your user profile folder. Look for app data folder. If you don't see there, click on view tab and enable hidden items. Now you can see app data folder there. Open it. Open the local folder, Google folder, Chrome folder and rename the user data folder to user data old. If you see an access deny error, that means Chrome is still running somewhere. Close it from the desktop or task manager and rename the folder again. After that, open your Chrome browser again. It will automatically create a fresh profile with clean files. Just sign in again and Chrome will restore your bookmarks, password, extension and everything that was synchronized before. If you ever want your old profile back, just rename the newly created user data folder to something like user data new and rename your old back one to user data. You will get all your old data back along with the same error message. That's it. Stay safe.